Hi everyone, let's continue on where we are. We see the pictures and do some great works. Now what we need to do, we need to start training, start to creating the first model. We do the analyzing, let's save it. We just need to comment this. Create a function for reducing the brightness. Okay, now we make it markdown, we run it, everything is good. Now we need to comment everything. After commenting everything, we just need to go to the place we are, and now we are there. We are going to commit everything to our, let's say, how we can say that, analyzing the data. I always made analyzing right, analyzing wrong, and I don't understand why. Let's commit them. Okay, now we are going to create our first model. Let's go for that. We go here, project, DeepCrack, model, model 1. Okay, let's go there. We need to go there from here. DeepCrack. Why we have a copy of that? I don't get. Okay, let's go there. DeepCrack, sorry. In model 1. Let's call it model 1. Now we have the model 1. Can you build a classifier model on the data I gave you? Let's wait for it to build the classifier. Okay. At first, you see it's changing the brightness and creating the classifications model. Let's copy that. Run it. Let's see if I recording. Yes, I'm recording. I want you to give me a CSV of error metrics and also the matrix of errors that I forget the name, and also 5 charts from the results. Let's see if it's running or not. Okay, it's processing the data. It's going to be time consuming. We know that. We can wait for the trick to done. Let me copy this content and create another model. Okay. Let's name it model 2. Copy the text, paste it here, save it, and run it. This model's running is going to be time consuming, and I know that. it's processing the non-cracked file. If you open your task manager, you are going to see the memory is going to be used completely. There are some tricks for boosting the memories. Always remember to have SSD hard, and in your SSD hard, always remember to make the C has enough space. In our work, our C doesn't have enough space, so it's maybe going to be a problem and end our project. So for that, we need to empty some space. Let's go and empty some space. You'll see the DeepCrack project here we have, it's getting a lots of space. But we are not going to cut that. Also in the downloads, we have something, but not something that gets a lot of space. And in the C, it's just the installations app and nothing more that take a lot of space. You see, we didn't have anything here. So let's check out the downloads. Here is also nothing. Let's go see videos. Okay, here we have something that actually weighs less than a gig. And nothing is also here, but let us delete that. I didn't see where we can free up the space. So let's just empty the rice beans and maybe cut this folder. Let's see how it weighs a lot. Let's name it desktop and cut that. Okay, my video have been cracked, my PC. Let's wait and see what is happening. Okay, I hope the recording failed. Let me just end it here.